In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find out the creation date of a Google Vids file in just about 5 minutes. Understanding when a video was created can be crucial for managing your digital content, whether for personal reference, organizing files, or legal compliance. So let's dive right in and make this process as smooth as possible. First, make sure you're on your computer and have internet access. We'll start by navigating to Google Vids. This is Google's platform for storing and sharing videos, much like Google Docs, but for videos. Simply type Google Vids into your search engine, and it should be one of the first options that appear. Click on the link to proceed. Once the page loads, you'll see a sign in button. This is your gateway to accessing all your uploaded videos on Google Vids. Click on this button to continue. If you're not automatically logged in, or if you have multiple Google accounts, you'll be prompted to choose which Google account you want to use for Google Vids. Select the relevant account. Remember, it should be the account where your video file is stored. After successfully signing in with your chosen account, your next step involves finding the specific video file you're interested in. Google Vids organizes your video content in a user-friendly interface, similar to Google Drive. Navigate through your files until you find the video whose creation date you want to check. When you have located your video, the next step is to go to the File menu. This should be located towards the top left corner of your screen. In Google Vids, the File menu is your control center. From here you can perform a variety of actions on your video file, but what we're interested in today is a bit more detailed. From the File menu, look for an option that says Details. This might require you to hover over some of the options until you find it. Clicking on Details will open a sidebar on the right side of your screen, which contains metadata about your video file. This is where Google Vids stores the nuts and bolts of your video information, including its creation date. Within the Details sidebar, search for a section labeled Created. This is exactly what it sounds like. The date and time when your video file was created and first uploaded to Google Vids. Depending on how your screen is set up and the size of your device's display, you might need to scroll down a little to find it, but it should be clearly labeled. And there you have it. You've successfully found the creation date of your video file in Google Vids. Knowing this date can be incredibly useful for a myriad of reasons. Whether you're trying to organize your files by date, looking to reference when a video project first started, or need this data for record keeping, Google Vids makes it relatively straightforward to find this information. Here are a few extra tips to keep in mind. If you manage a lot of video content, consider maintaining an external log or spreadsheet where you keep track of creation dates and other essential metadata. This practice can save you time and make managing your digital assets even easier. Also, remember that the creation date reflects when the video was first uploaded to Google Vids. If the video was created elsewhere and stored on a hard drive or another cloud service before being uploaded to Google Vids, the original creation date might differ from what Google Vids displays. Always keep backups and make note of original creation dates if this information is critical for your needs. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial. I hope this guide has made it clear and straightforward for you to find the creation date of your video file on Google Vids. Stay organized and keep creating great content. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Happy video managing!